Graham Angus 35-1. Be 2 loads of steers out of 185 or 6 head. Base weight will be around 640 at delivery. Around November the 18th, the week of November the 18th. Graham Angus. (35-1). Really a nice set of number 1 muscle, medium and large frame steers, Angus sired steers. Mr. Bill Graham was in the Angus business for over 50 years. Kip McMillan's the manager along with Mr. Jimmy Bowles. They've been selling the calves in the safe sale now for about 3 years. Really a nice set of number 1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. Over 50 years of breeding Angus cattle. Again, it'll be 2 loads out of 185 or 6 head, around 640 for the week of November the 18th delivery. Cattle have over 60 days, probably somewhere around 64, 5, 6 days. Graham Angus, Albany, Georgia, 35-1. These are some of the finest cattle in the southeast, again selling after the August safe sale. Graham Angus Farms. Kip's doing a really fine job since they've changed over to selling commercial steers and heifers. To me, they got a little bit more muscle on them than the choky cattle that we used to have. Graham Angus, 35-1. Cattle be pretty uniform, be sorted by the boys or me. Like I said, again, it'll be 2 loads out of 185 or 6 head, 640. Be somewhere around 76 or 7 on each load. Be plenty to choose from. Graham Angus, 35-1, Albany, Georgia. (35-1), Graham Angus. Graham Angus Heifers, Albany, Georgia, 35-2. Around 110 head. Sort 1 load. Base weight will be 600 pounds. Or you have the option to take it all. 110, you can cut 4 or 5 out, so that would be 100, 105 head. Graham Angus Farms, Albany, Georgia, 35-2. (35-2) be 1 load of heifers out of 110 at 600 pounds. Base weight, truck weight with a 2% shrink. Or you can take all 110 or have the option to cut 4 or 5 out, so you'd have 105 head. So far we've been selling the Graham Angus heifers. They've been going back or replacement heifers. Over 50 years of breeding carcass and maternal. Graham Angus, Albany, Georgia, 35-2. With a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame, Angus sired heifers. (35-2) Graham Angus Farms, Albany, Georgia. Mr. Bill Graham had over 50 years of breeding these cattle. Kip McMillan and Jimmy Bowles responsible for looking after and breeding them now. Again, be one load at 600-pound base out of 110, or you have the option of taking 105. I'll let you have 4 or 5 cuts if you want to buy the whole group. Graham Angus 35-2. Really nice set of Angus sired replacement heifers. A lot of genetics here, a lot of time saved running up and down the road trying to find a group of heifers. Make a tremendous set of brood cows. Raised calves for Moseley Cattle Auction to sell. How about that? Graham Angus, Albany, Georgia, 35-2.